Good day everyone, Juan here with Bay Hauling Junk Removal. And today I want to talk about a new service that we're offering. We now do sanitizing for your home or business. If you want to know what I'm talking about, come take a look. It is now essential for businesses to have a frequent sanitizing schedule in order to maintain the health and safety in their workplace or office. Sanitizing is a proven method in preventing the transmission of disease and contamination. Protect yourself along with your customers and employees in your place of business. Electrostatic cleaning is the newest and most effective way to stop the spread of viruses and bacteria in your home or place of business. The technology in our electrostatic sprayers allows for every single section of the item or surface that we spray to be 100% covered with disinfectant, even in areas you can't actually see. Our hospital-grade disinfectants are bleach-free, alcohol-free, tested, approved, and registered by the EPA.
I don't deny there's some strange evolutionary process going on, but mankind won't be destroyed. The fact that you and I are working here today is evidence of that.
Yeah, man, we're down here at the gym. You know, we haven't had too much activity, but we are getting ready to start opening our doors, and thanks to Bay Holland and having him here and his services, he's keeping it clean. I mean, I'm wearing my shoes, my slips, like the spray works. And as you can see, we're still training. You know, we're taking the right steps, and we're thankful that he came through, because this is definitely an essential thing that we can do here to keep ourselves protected. And remember, always punch with a purpose.